So first things first is the makeup. So what I'm gonna do is pull my hair back and put it in a pony tie and put a wig cap on so my hair is not all crazy in my face while I'm doing the makeup. Do a little bun here in the back. I'm just gonna take my wig cap and place it over my head. What we're gonna do is foundation and my lips. And for all those makeup people cringing out there, I'm not used to doing makeup. I do face paint, so I'm not used to using makeup sponges and whatever. I just use my finger and finger paint, basically. Because I don't know how to do makeup, and that's just the honest truth. So next thing I'm gonna do is the eyebrows. Now, I have thick eyebrows, so for some reason the glue method doesn't work for me. And for those of you who don't know, the glue method is basically where you glue down your eyebrows and then you paint them over. But for some reason it just does not work on my eyebrows. So I'm just going to improvise. So what I like to do, and this is a fast, easy way, is I get Snazzer face paint and just fill in my eyebrows with the color of the wig. So I'm just gonna take this blue eyeliner pencil I have by NYC, and I'm just gonna fill in like a shape of my eyebrows and then just fill it in with my face paint. I'm just gonna use this blue right there, fill in my eyebrows. But you could already tell the difference, how it makes the blue more prominent and makes it more clean cut than this one. I got my eyebrows done, and next thing is my lips, because for my lips I actually have a nude lipstick with a little hair on it, apparently. So I am just going to go over my lips with this. Using this, a hint of brown to my eyes. So this is how I look so far, and I'm going to contour my nose a bit. Just taking some of my cream based and going along the sides of my nose. Just gonna do a little bit on my cheeks. Now, even if it doesn't show up on camera what I'm doing, when I do photos, it's going to do these shadows that I want. So now that I have my just basic demo makeup on, I am going to put the clothes on. So first off, I have these gray pants, dress pants, that I will be putting on. Next thing is my dress shirt. It is a light beige dress shirt, and I do kind of want to tuck my shirt in if my pants will allow it. Yes, they will. So the next thing is my suspenders. I actually got these suspenders for $3. Great deal for America suspenders. And then I got this blue vest, my bow tie. Now, I did make this bow tie myself. I got these bow ties from the Dollar Tree, and they look just like this. They were just told together with zip ties. So I basically took the star part. So I put this bow tie together with blue ribbon, and I hot glued a clip so that it would just clip on and be a clip-on bow tie. And there we go, we have my bow tie. So now I'm gonna put on my lace cuffs because demo is very old-fashioned, and these I also made. So how I made these were I took bits of this ribbon that I had and I overlaid it twice, and then I sewed it around, and then I just added a second layer so that it would look like that. And then I sewed those two pieces together so that it did that. I added some Velcro so that just put it around my cuff like that. Then button my shirt. That's basically how the cuff looks with the thing. And I think it looks really, really cool, and I did a good job for my first lace cuff. So it hides my tattoos. So that's basically the lace cuffs. Next thing is to add the wig. Now you can see it has a cowlick like America's from Hetalia, and my best friend did this for me, the cowlick, because I could not get it to stick up, and I don't know how she did it. She's amazing. But we're just gonna put this on. Make sure my cowlick, no, my cowlick. Just gonna put that on and style it. And lastly, we cannot forget about Demo's donkey, because the donkey represents the Democratic Party. So donkey is just going to be right here on my shoulder. So this is a Beanie Baby I bought. It was a 2-pack. I got an elephant and a donkey, so the donkey was for me and the elephant was for my best friend who is doing Republic. And I really love Donkey. He's very cute. And this Beanie Baby is from 2000, and I even have a tag protector because I do collect Beanie Babies. See right there, it says 2000. And I'll open it up to show you guys. And what I like is it does represent the parties as well. So his name is Lefty and the elephant's name is Righty. But that's his tag. Can't zoom in. I can't zoom in that well because my camera doesn't zoom in that much. But that's Lefty. And his birthday is July 4th, 2000. This and his little poem is, "This November, make a note. This time has come for you to vote. Pick me when you have to choose. I'm a beanie you can't lose." And I think that's adorable. But yes, I love my donkey. So now we have our full Democrat cosplay, and I really like how it looks. I'm proud of myself for making this. Well, hold on. I'm really proud of myself for making this cosplay. I really like how extravagant it is for, you know, just a cosplay, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how I put a Demo together. If you want to know more about Demo and who he is, I'll put a video here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more because I make new videos and I have more coming up in the following weeks on Thursdays. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and tell me what you guys think about Democrat. Do you like him as a character? And yeah, so I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. I'm still not sure whether I want to add this to the character. Let me know what you guys think, but Demo is supposed to wear glasses. That was the original concept of him. But yeah, this is how Demo looks with glasses.